How do you put an elephant in the refrigerator? A question that certainly can't assure. Open the refrigerator door, put the elephant in, close the refrigerator door. Then, how do you put a giraffe in the refrigerator? Yes, I can swear that. Open the refrigerator door, put the giraffe in, close the refrigerator door. You lack concentration and are not careful enough. Your answer is wrong. The correct answer is open the refrigerator door, take out the elephant, put in the giraffe, close the refrigerator door. How do you put a horse in the refrigerator? Open the refrigerator, take out the elephant and giraffe, put in the horse, close the refrigerator. Your answer is still wrong. Open the refrigerator, take out the elephant, put in the horse, because the refrigerator has 2 doors. In a monthly forest meeting, which animal is absent? Sick animal. In fork, I swear. The animals that were not present at the first meeting were the horse and the giraffe because they were still in the refrigerator. In a jungle's meeting, the jackal sent the millipede to pay swing, but the waiters had to resume after almost 5 hours. The long distance from the first meeting location to the required store. Your answer is too conventional. It takes more than 10 hours for a millipede to wear a suit. Is this a very funny joke? If you all have really funny jokes, please type them in the comment. I'm really looking forward to it.